Hello children, this side Ma'am Varsha, and this is the fifth lecture of Geography Lesson 2, the Physical Features of India. And this video you will learn about the Indian desert. Children, as you can see here in this map, the Indian desert, it is found mainly in the part of the Rajasthan, and it is some part in the Gujarat. The Great Indian Desert, also known as the Thar Desert, is a large arid region in the northwestern part of the Indian subcontinent. As we can see here, it is the northwestern part in the Indian subcontinent. It is a dry region and it covers 2 lakh square kilometer area. It is the world's ninth largest subtropical desert. Here it is an image of an desert. Here you can see in the desert, if you have visited, then you maybe know there we found only the sands. That is why these places or this region is known as the सैंडी प्लेन्स, क्योंकि वहाँ पे जहाँ हम देखते हैं बच्चों, वहाँ पे हर तरफ हमें केवल रेत ही रेत दिखाई देती है। यहाँ तक कि हमें वहाँ पे रेत के पहाड़ तक भी दिखाई देते हैं, छोटी छोटी पहाड़ियाँ भी हमें वहाँ पर दिखाई देती हैं। इट इज़ अ वेरी ड्राई रीजन चिल्ड्रन। Okay, now some details about in this desert is the Indian desert lies towards the western margins of the Aravalli Hills. This region gets scanty rainfall, बहुत कम बारिश होती है वहाँ पर, which is less than 150 millimeter in a year. Hence, their climate is arid बहुत dry climate है वहाँ का, and vegetation is scanty. Why? Because there is a very less rainfall. Luni is a salt lake. Luni is the only large river, but some streams appear during rainy season. Crescent shaped dunes abound in this area, which is called the बर्चांस. बर्चांस क्या है बच्चों? देखो वहाँ पे जो मेन रिवर है वो लूनी रिवर है, ठीक है। उसके अलावा वहाँ पे रेत के पहाड़ भी मिलते हैं, लेकिन बच्चों वो हम जैसे ये जो माउंटेन्स देखते हैं उनसे काफ़ी अलग होते हैं। हाँ, दीज माउंटेन्स और these hills are in crescent shape. That is why these hills are known as the crescent shaped dunes, और उनको बच्चों बर्चांस भी कहते हैं। क्रिसेंट एक शेप होता है, यू नो, ओके। सो दीज काइंड ऑफ हिल्स वी फाउंड इन द डेजर्ट एरियाज एंड दीज आर नोन एज बर्चांस। वहाँ पे कुछ लॉन्गिट्यूडिनल ड्यून्स भी मिलते हैं बच्चों। यहाँ ऐसे रेत के पहाड़ भी हैं विच आर वर्टिकल इन शेप, and these are known as longitudinal dunes. But these kind of dunes we found in the near the Indo-Pakistan boundary. Okay children, and due to its climatic condition, here vegetation is very less, as we have already learned that there is a very little rainfall. वहाँ पे बच्चों क्या होता है, मीन्स रेनी सीजन में वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा पानी दिखता है सरफेस पे, बट देयर इज़ अ वेरी ड्राई क्लाइमेट, तो वो सरफेस पे अपेयर नहीं हो जाता है, और वो जो रिवर का पानी है वो ड्राई सीजन स्टार्ट होते वहाँ पे डिसअपियर हो जाता है। ओनली ड्यूरिंग द रेनी सीजन, ओके, इट इज़ अपियर देयर। Children, I want to tell you one interesting thing about Luni River. Luni River, it enjoys fresh water for the first 100 kilometer of its channel, but as it reaches the Balotra in Barmer, the water turns saline, okay, नमकीन हो जाता है वहाँ का पानी, and due to the salt rich surface, and hence it gets its name Luni, which means saline in Rajasthan. Hope you have understood about the Indian deserts, what are called the Barchans. These are known as the crescent shaped dunes there. If you visit Jaisalmer, you may go to see a group of birds. This was all about this lecture. Meet you soon in next video. Till then, bye.